Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Wabarakatuh.
Okay, how are you today, my students?
Fine.
I am fine.
Alhamdulillah baik.
Fine.
Okay, I hope that all of you here are always be fine, get spirit always, although COVID-19 pandemic. Okay, now today we will discuss about, I think it is the same topic. It is about announcement. And then before we start our lesson, okay, now please say Bismillah first. All. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Okay, and then now for presence list, for presence, like usual, please fill up Google Classroom. Okay, my students. Okay.
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 Me.
Okay. Okay, now I will show you a slide about our discussion today. Okay, let's see. Okay, all the students can see the slide here. Safril, can you see it?
I see.
Okay. Okay, now today we will discuss for this topic. Yeah. Okay, first I want to ask you, what do you think about this slide? What is it actually?
Announcement.
Okay, good announcement. Okay, announcement. Okay, can you help me to read this announcement? Can you help me to read? Okay,
Okay,
please.
I will read.
Okay.
Attention please, we invite you to participate in our school's first cooking contest. Each class should be represented by at least one group consisting of 4 students. Remember, you should enroll your groups to Mrs. Uni not later than January the 21st. The contest will be held on January the 29th. For further information, please read the brochure attached on the announcement board.
Okay,
Thank
good. Okay, good for Della. Okay, now please answer 4 questions based on the announcement. Okay, for the first question, what kind of announcement above? What kind?
Tiara, Bu.
Okay, Tiara, what about you?
Ini spoken announcement, Bu.
Okay, can you prove it?
Karena di atas itu tulisannya itu di atasnya itu tulisannya attention, Bu. Berarti kan
Okay,
perhatian.
good. That's right. Yeah. Okay, Tiara is good answer. Yeah. This is a spoken announcement. When will the event be held? When will the event be held?
Amanda, Bu.
Okay, Amanda.
Will be held on January the 29th.
Will be held on January the 29th. Okay. Okay, excellent. Okay, number 4, the last question. Which sentence shows simple future? This is
Tiara, Bu.
okay, Tiara. Which sentence?
The contest will be held on January the 29th.
Okay, good, Tiara. Okay, now here, please see the objective of the study today. Yeah, first to determine the social function of announcement, and then to detail the generic structure of announcement, to determine essential grammar, especially simple future of announcement, and the last to complete WH question by using fishbone diagram in announcement. Okay, first the social function here. Social function or the purpose of announcement. Okay, please read Safril here for social function. Safril, please read.
To give him a social function, to give some information about an event, a recruitment, and so on.
Okay, ya. Okay, because this is not even but event, ya. Event itu adalah kegiatan, ya. Jadi in English, ya, please read event, ya. Okay, so here what are the examples of social function questions, ya. Jadi contoh ketika kita membuat soal yang berhubungan dengan social function can be here, what is the purpose of the announcement given? Ya, jadi kita bisa membuat pertanyaan dengan what is the purpose of the announcement? Tujuan dari pengumuman itu apa? And then the second, what is the announcement about? Tentang apa pengumuman tersebut dan lain sebagainya. Okay, my student, do you understand?
Understand?
Okay, next.
Yes.
Okay, now about the structure of announcement. Okay, the struktur teks dari announcement atau pengumuman itu yang pertama opening. Okay, and then the second is about content and the third is closing. Okay, this is more information about the structure of announcement here. Okay, let's see. For head or opening, it is about the title or type of event or for who the announcement is. And then the body of content, it is about the addressee of the readers, content, date, place, and program. And closing, this is about for more information. Ya, biasanya seperti itu. Kemudian for more information, the contact is, biasanya seperti itu ya untuk closingnya. And then please look at the end. There is a writer here. And then the note here, for writer is used for written announcement if spoken announcement is not necessary because it is delivered directly. I'm sorry. Okay. Now about what is it? Essential grammar of announcement. Ya, essential grammar of announcement. Jadi tata bahasa yang utama yang digunakan untuk pengumuman. Most announcements are written in simple future tense, either active or passive. Ya, jadi sebetulnya unsur kebahasaan itu banyak ya, tetapi mostly here we discuss about the simple future, ya, in active and also passive. Ya, do you still remember about this? Active will plus verb 1, and then passive will plus be plus verb 3. And then for the examples here, will, provide, and then will, where, and etc. For passive, the examples is will be installed, and then will be held. Sure. Okay, next. Okay, now we discuss about WH question here. Yeah. Before we start, before we study more about our discussion, okay, this is the point here for today, yeah, about WH question. Okay, first about what, and then second where, third when, fourth for who, fifth why, and the sixth how. Okay, can you read? Dela.
Okay.
Dela. Okay, please read.
1 is what, 2 is where, 3 is when, 4 is who, 5 is why, 6 is how.
Okay, now please translate in Indonesian.
What is apa, where is di mana, where itu di mana, when itu kapan, who itu siapa, why itu mengapa, how itu bagaimana.
Okay, good. Ya, betul ya. Oke, berarti sudah bisa. Nah, ini. Okay, this is our point today. So here we discuss about fishbone diagram technique. Okay, let's see. This technique is used to find the main idea and important information in the text by way simplify long sentences into keywords by using 6 question words like who, what, when, where, why, and how. I'm sorry to end ya. And how ya. Jadi di sini kegunaan dari teknik diagram fishbone itu adalah mengatasi untuk reading comprehension kalian ya. Jadi ketika kalian menghadapi soal reading ya, pemahaman teks ya, biasanya kan kesulitan itu untuk memahami apa sih isi teks dari sebuah announcement di sini ya, topik kita ya. Jadi bisa kita gunakan yaitu menggunakan teknik diagram fishbone ya. Dari diagram fishbone tersebut itu mengandung 6 kata tanya ya. Yang pertama bisa who, bisa what ya, kemudian bisa when, where, why, and how ya. Oke, selanjutnya lah seperti ini ya. Jadi fishbone diagram here ya. Can you see what is fishbone actually? Berarti fishbone itu apa sih artinya?
Tulang ikan.
Nah, tulang ikan, betul. Jadi silakan kalian lihat di sini ya. Jadi untuk kepalanya ya, kalian bisa menentukan dari sebuah teks itu topiknya apa atau what is the title of the text ya. And then for the bone here ya, you can see ada what, kemudian when, where, why, who, how, and after that ya, setelah itu you can conclude. So what is the text about misalnya? What is the content of the text about? For the examples of announcement, one of the examples of announcement here. Ya. Oke, dari picture ini ya, for this picture, who can make one question by using WH question? Who can make one question? Okay. For the participants here, who can make one question? Up to
Saya
you.
Bu, Tiara.
Tiara. Okay, good. Tiara. Based on the
When the event will be held.
picture here, okay, please make one question and please answer it.
When the event will be held.
Okay, when the event will be held. Okay, good. So here you use a question word and also you use one of simple future. Yeah, for it especially for passive. Yeah. Okay, good. So what is the answer, Tiara?
On October 21.
Okay, on October 21st, ya, up to 22nd, ya, 2020, ya. Okay, good, Tiara. Okay, for the students worksheet here, okay, please let's see. After concerning to PPT about fishbone diagram, determine social function, detail generic structure, and determine essential grammar, simple future by making questions using WH question and then answer them based on the announcement from MP3 or YouTube channel. Yeah, do the assignment with your group. Okay. Okay, now please listen first and then I will show the announcement here.
Good afternoon, passengers. This is a pre-boarding announcement for Flight 89B to Rome. We are now inviting those passengers with small children and any passengers requiring special assistance to begin boarding at this time. Please have your boarding pass and identification ready. Regular boarding will begin in approximately 10 minutes time. Thank you.
After you know about the announcement here, okay, now please, please make a question by using WH question. Okay, who wants to make a question here? Based on the announcement here.
Ya, Bu.
Okay, Sefril.
When regular boarding will begin?
Okay, good. Okay, so when?
10 minutes time.
Okay, will begin in approximately 10 minutes time. Okay, good, Sefril. Okay, next. Can make a question.
Tiara Bu.
Okay, Tiara. What is the question here?
Where the flight is going?
Okay, when the flight is going, your answer is?
To Rome.
Okay, to Rome. Okay, good. Ya, jadi where ya. Okay, untuk this announcement I think is enough. And then you have a good answer. And I think you understand about this announcement by using WH question, especially for a fishbone diagram. Okay. Okay, next. Who can make the question?
Dela Anggita,
Okay, Dela.
what the costume we will wear?
Okay, what the costume the students will wear? Okay, so the answer is?
The clothes during the clothes.
Okay,
The proper clothes.
yeah, the proper clothes during the
Online class.
okay online class. Yeah, okay, good. Yeah, I think it's enough yeah for the examples, and then please do with group, but for the submission untuk pengiriman tugas it is individual ya, so all the students must submit the assignment ya, jadi tetap semuanya harus mengumpulkan secara individu meskipun ini tugasnya dikerjakan secara berkelompok. Okay, understand my student?
Understand, Miss?
Okay.
Pretend I don't care, but it's killing me. I'd be happy for you if you say you're happier with someone else. I'll be honest with you, just the thought of it hurts like hell. Oh, this time you've been thinking I moved on, but you should know I waited for you. Even if I tried, I could never let you go. You should know I waited. I'm always waiting for you.
Okay, who can make a conclusion of this announcement? Dela, mungkin Dela?
Untuk memberikan informasi kepada murid untuk lebih menjaga kesehatan.
Okay, in English. In English?
To give information for students
Okay.
for wait Bu. For to better maintain health.
Okay, good. Okay, who can make a conclusion here? From Simple Future side.
Tiara, Bu.
Yeah, okay, Tiara.
I can conclude that
Okay, this announcement.
the students will be online class
Okay.
because of pandemic corona.
Okay, good. Any question, my students, after we discuss about our material today? Okay, you can conclude for general what we have learned today.
Fishbone.
Fishbone diagram,
Okay, fishbone diagram. Okay,
simple future tense,
okay, simple future tense. Okay, and then
function,
social function. Social function, and then generic structure, and the main the main discussion is about WH question ya, related with fishbone diagram ya. Jadi okay, if you have any difficulties you can share with your friend, and also you can give question ya, give your question at WA group ya, and WA group ya. Okay. Next, for post test ya or evaluation, I will give you 5 questions ya, 5 questions. Jadi Bu Wina akan memberikan 5 pertanyaan untuk evaluasinya. Okay, at Google Form ya, and then please answer for the 5 questions ya. Okay, my student, for the next meeting we will discuss is still the same topic, yeah, but for the last meeting for the announcement. Okay, thank you, my students. Okay, my students, before we close our meeting today, our discussion today, please say Alhamdulillah, all. Alhamdulillah, Hirobil. Okay, my students, thank you for your participation today. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Wabarakatuh.